I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. She drinks coffee in the morning. She drinks coffee in the morning. He goes to work by bus. He goes to work by bus. They eat lunch at noon. They eat lunch at noon. We study English every evening. We study English every evening. You drive to school every day. You drive to school every day. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. He watches TV after dinner. He watches TV after dinner. We walk in the park on weekends. We walk in the park on weekends. They play soccer on Sundays. They play soccer on Sundays. I listen to music while I work. I listen to music while I work. She cleans the house on Saturdays. She cleans the house on Saturdays. He exercises every morning. He exercises every morning. We visit our grandparents every month. We visit our grandparents every month. They cook dinner together. They cook dinner together. I write emails to my friends. I write emails to my friends. She shops for groceries every Monday. She shops for groceries every Monday. He works out at the gym daily. He works out at the gym daily. We attend church on Sundays. We attend church on Sundays. They garden in the backyard. They garden in the backyard. I check my phone first thing in the morning. I check my phone first thing in the morning. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He waters the plants regularly. He waters the plants regularly. We bake cookies every Christmas. We bake cookies every Christmas. They volunteer at the shelter. They volunteer at the shelter. I meditate for 10 minutes. I meditate for 10 minutes. She takes the dog for a walk. She takes the dog for a walk. He reads the newspaper every morning. He reads the newspaper every morning. We plan our vacations in advance. We plan our vacations in advance. They go camping in the summer. They go camping in the summer. I organize my desk every week. I organize my desk every week. She enjoys painting in her free time. She enjoys painting in her free time. He repairs cars for a living. He repairs cars for a living. We watch movies on Friday nights. We watch movies on Friday nights. They celebrate birthdays with a cake. They celebrate birthdays with a cake. I practice yoga daily. I practice yoga daily. She loves to sing in the shower. She loves to sing in the shower. He teaches math at the local school. He teaches math at the local school. We play board games on rainy days. We play board games on rainy days. They travel abroad every year. They travel abroad every year. I use my laptop for work. I use my laptop for work. She decorates the house for holidays. She decorates the house for holidays. He reads to his children every night. He reads to his children every night. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. They always help their neighbors. They always help their neighbors. I cook breakfast every morning. I cook breakfast every morning. She writes in her journal every night. She writes in her journal every night. He builds model airplanes. He builds model airplanes. We visit the beach every summer. We visit the beach every summer. They go skiing in the winter. They go skiing in the winter. I take a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap in the afternoon. She makes jewelry as a hobby. She makes jewelry as a hobby. He enjoys fishing on weekends. He enjoys fishing on weekends. We have family dinners on Sundays. We have family dinners on Sundays. They go for a run every morning. They go for a run every morning. I call my parents every week. I call my parents every week. She practices piano daily. She practices piano daily. He collects stamps from different countries. He collects stamps from different countries. We host a barbecue every 4th of July. We host a barbecue every 4th of July. They play video games together. They play video games together. I drink green tea after lunch.